Lum jingalang ka dream mission jaga sorkar Meghalaya yaki kunhun yam bapher badon hapo ka shatri ka Shillong All Faiths Forum nagbanta ban yathir halor ki mat kumno ban rat dingkhong yaga jingjele udrak ban ai jing hikai ki samla pule halor ka jing sneu jong udrak ha ka jela ka dream mission jaga sorkar jela ha ka arphau tarik ramphang 8,000 arpusan klalum ya ka jingalang bat ki kunhun yam bapher nagbanta ban yathir halor ki mat ban rat dingkhong yaga jingjele udrak ha ka jela Hakani ka sngi la don rangkat lang uba Francis Kharshieng, Mission Director jang ka Sorkar Jela, u Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Paul Lengdo, u Principal Secretary jang ka Sorkar Jela, Sampat Kumar IAS, ki kunhon niam bapher rangkat kinong penyat jang ka Drugs Mission jang ka Sorkar Jela. Hakani ka sngi la penlong ru ya ka jing peliu jing mut ha padeng kinong penyat jang ka Drugs Mission ka Sorkar Jela, bat ki kunhon niam bapher. Banwat kilat kumno bante lakam bat ban yada yaki brio naka jingjele udrok ujing di penbuaj bakta yaka imlang kasalang bat kasnong kathau. Ha kani kasngi haba ajing kran naka liang mission director ka Sorkar Jela ba Francis Kharshieng ulaong ka jinglum yakani ka jingalang ban yathir kalong shi banta ban rat dingkhong ya udrok ka Sorkar kan yatrelang bat ki kunhon bapher khnang ban pelat yaki samla naki tersim te amrau jong udrok. Uba polengdo Menteri Social Welfare ulaong ka Sorkar kam shong klikti shibon ki kam kalapan I habaya day bat kajing te lakam I udrok ha kini ki khendiat banai baladam ha kajing yalam jong Menteri Rangba kontrat ke sangma uba Prestun Tensong Menteri Home and Police ula play ka Office Anti Narcotic Task Force ka Office bante lakam ya kajing wan rung udrok shakani ka jilla ha kini ki khendiat tayo ka Sorkar kala thang ki drok balayo kem haka pajwa jong weka karkhana san dobilat halum shnong ulaya tho ula ong ru ka Sorkar kan trelang bat snok ti rengkat ki kunhun bapher bante lakam bat ban rat dingkhong ya udrok nakani ka jella ka Sorkar kalamang pisa san pholak nagbanta ka jingdon kam jong kinu ki jaka ki ban ai jing sumar bat jing hikai nagbanta ki bala shakta haka jingkerni di drok
Government of Meghalaya to thank each one of you from the core of my heart for having spared your time and given your valuable inputs. This is a continuous process and we would like to see that the sooner the better. The sooner we are able to achieve our dream of a drug-free Meghalaya, the better it will be for every one of us. We will need your constant support, engagement, inputs and positive criticism, constructive criticism. And I also have spoken out about what the government has done in order for you to know that we are taking the matter, the challenge that we are facing very, very seriously. And we would continue to do so, for which we require the support of each one of you. So with these few words, I declare this meeting to have come to a close, and I wish that...
How will the government be planning to help what we call faith institutions with regard to this problem that we have? So this is only the thing that I thought I should put in front of the government. And what are the ways that we're planning to help these different congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya? We feel concerned about this very much from the part of the faith forum and also from the part of the church. We feel very much concerned with regard to this important matter. But we also like, because this is also at the same time, it is very, very technical matter. And if we also like to, if we can hear from the government, what are the steps that you're planning to help with regard to the different churches that we have, different faith congregations that we have here in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much.
To really, to take forward what we have discussed earlier, and to start working. In fact, our honorable minister, in fact, our honorable chief minister also has been, telling that whatever the support that is required, will be provided by the government to the faith institutions, and today is the beginning of it, so that more concrete way to work in a more concrete way, and we'll also take your suggestions, while going forward. And with this brief outline of the entire idea of engagement, so I conclude my initial remarks of today's meeting. Thank you very much. Kumlesh.